There you go. There you go. I'll put you in a video. You'll be there. Be looking. Be watching. Thank you, brother. Glad we brought some 1x4s. That was rotten. That's what happens, man. Is that what it is? It's screwed?
Yeah, it's screwed through the.
All right. All right. Well.
This piece of metal.
Oh, that gutter.
Yep.
A hammer is going to be the deal. Yeah, let's get a few more tools.
Come back. I'll be right back.
Let's throw that arrow somewhere. Whatever's going to be the best, Bill. Find a pile out there. Don't hit it. Hey, metal coming down. There we go. Piece number 1 gone. That's a little bit of a pain in the butt. You might have to do some cutting down through there, Bill.
Yeah, I think there you go.
You got what?
I thought you had to have the blade.
At least cut it a few times. If we can, we might end up bringing it with us. But other than that, they're just going to stack it somewhere. I'd stack it back by my trailer. All right, so we got this thing rocking and rolling. As you'll see in my other videos, I'm not going to go over it now. The whole process of getting this started. You can look in my other videos that I've downloaded recently. Tells everything about the details. Check out my playlist. In this video here, it's going to be a short video, and I'm going to show you the problems that you will run into on mobile homes, especially after they're starting to get some age on them. You've cool sealed them a few times, and just stuff starts happening, things start leaking. So this is a video basically mobile home roof problems and why they happen, where they come from. Everybody always wants to know, why is my damn mobile home leaking? How can I fix it? This is how we do it, but I want to tell you why. And this is why. All right, everybody. So Drew's ripping home repair, and I say time and time again, this is somebody's house, and they love their house. The lady's very happy with her place. She just had a few leaks, and leaks on mobile homes, as well as a house, doesn't matter what you're on, are going to happen. On these particular mobile homes, I made a video that shows exactly where 90% of your leaks come from. So if you look at a video that I made, why your mobile home leaks, that'll give you a good idea of why and possibly how to fix it. This is somebody's house right here, and I have respect for anybody's house. I don't care what type it is. If you lay your head down on the bed, it's your house. So I want to thank everybody with these houses that call us up from wherever you are. If we're able to get to you, I thank you for the call. If we're not able to get to you, I'll always do my best to do what I can do for you. We do travel within 10 hours to do mobile home roofing like this only. We don't travel to do like flooring. We don't travel to do siding. We only travel to do this rubber roof, and I only do that because I know exactly what I need for this job. And generally, Lowe's or Home Depot will actually have anything that I don't bring with me. So thank you for watching this channel. Thank you for hitting that like button. Thumbs up means everything. YouTube shares it more likely with somebody else that might need the same video. So this is just about the end of the day. We're getting ready to put rubber up on this thing, and this is actually day one. Fortunately, I had enough guys here that I didn't have to do anything except for videotape. So basically what I've done is videotape and run back and forth to Lowe's. But again, we do travel up to 10 hours from 28461. That's my zip code. We live in Southport, right on the coast, and it is a beautiful place to live. So again, thanks for watching, and hit that sub button if you'd like to see more videos like this. You hear that? Hell, I might could even carry that one.
This is mine.
That's the wrong piece, though.
Day one in the books. You seen it. You were the eyewitness. Man, that is just absolutely beautiful.